Hi guys, this is our room in Novotel Nara. We're staying at 604, which is room at tatami room with Western style. So upon entering the room, ito yung makikita natin agad. These are lagayan or sapitan ng ating mga jackets. And then, over here sa taas are baskets. So, para saan ba yung baskets na to? This is actually used para sa public baths, para lalagyan mo ng gamit mo going to the public bath. And then, dito naman sa baba are the para lagyan na ng mga shoes. And provided din nila yung mga house slippers. 4 yan. Dito naman is the aircon control or temperature control ng room natin. Dito naman sa kabilang side guys, meron ditong mukhang mirror pero it's a touch screen. Tapos makikita nyo dito lahat ng amenities at saka information about the hotel. So you can just click on ano yung kailangan nyo. Yung kakaiba dito, you can actually check kung may tao sa public baths. Ito oh. So dito, wala pang tao. Ibig sabihin, you can use either the men's or the women's public bath kasi wala pang gumagamit. You can also check kung available yung laundry. Kasi may coin laundry sila dito. So ito, maki-check nyo. Hindi available yung number 3 but 1 and 2 is available. So pwede kayong maglaba. So hindi sayang yung pagpunta nyo dun sa area just to check kung available yung machines. Tapos yung iba dyan are details about the hotel. And this door naman leads to the bathroom. So separated yung toilet and bath. This one is the toilet. Siyempre nasa Japan tayo, we have an automatic toilet na merong madaming pindutan. Sa kabilang side is the bath area. So, meron tayo ditong bathtub. And of course, yung shower. Tapos, provided na din nila yung mga toiletries, yung shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. Sa gitna naman is the sink area. So, meron sila ditong body lotion and hand wash. Merong mirror. And then, provided na din yung iba pang toiletries. Meron sila ditong comb, may toothbrush, may shower cap, may vanity kit, tsaka sewing kit. Tapos, meron na din dito mga face towels, and then mga glasses. Tapos, dito yung bath towel. And, inside this box is the hair dryer. This one naman, pwede nyo lagyan na ng mga soiled towel or mga nagamit yung damit. And this area naman is a cabinet. So, it's a sliding door. Ayan, pwede nating paglagyan ng mga gamit natin. So, nandito na iba naming luggage and bags. And meron siya ditong drawer. Dito makita niyo yung laundry bag and shoe meat. Tapos, meron din ditong pen. And sa second drawer naman is the safe. So, kung meron kayong mga halagang bagay, you can put it here. And on the last drawer is the pajamas. Ito yung pajama ng Novotel. Ngayon may sulat. Sa kabilang side naman are mga lagayan lang talaga. So, yan, nakalagay na yung mga bags namin para hindi nakakalat dito sa room. Dito naman sa bedside table, guys, is the telephone. Tapos, itong box na to are actually the light control. So, pwede mong kontrolin yung mga different lights dito sa room na to. And then, dito naman is the socket. Meron siyang USB-C tsaka yung normal socket. And this is the bed area. So, meron kaming 2 single beds na Western style. And then, meron din kaming 2 single beds na Japanese style. Yung nasa lapag. Ayan. Tapos, dito naman is the television. So, hindi ko alam kung anong size pero ang laki niya. And, I'm not sure kung ano siya. Ayan, smart siya. So, smart TV siya. Meron na siyang Netflix, may Disney, may YouTube. So, you can watch here. Tapos, ito yung table. You can use this for dining or pagka magla-laptop ka, you can just move it here pagka tinupi natin yung mga tatami mats natin. Tapos, ito yung upuan. Kapag Japanese kasi, di ba ganito yung upuan? So, as a platinum member, they always have a letter para sa guest nila. So, ito yung thank you letter nila. it comes with the welcome amenities. So, mga sweets to dito sa Nara Hotel. And also, meron silang green tea powder na kasama. Tapos, ito yung nakakatawa dito is a window na parang Japanese style din siya. Pero when you open this, meron pa isang window, yung normal window ng hotel. And then, dito naman, may mga mugs and glasses para sa pag-iinom tayo. Tapos, ito available din yung mga coffee capsules, tapos tea. This one is a blank cabinet lang, walang laman. And over here is the fridge. Ayan. So, may mga free water na tayo dito. Tapos, meron na din silang provided na Nespresso machine. Kaya may mga capsule tayo doon. So, if you want coffee, you can use this. Or yung traditional way ng paggawa ng coffee, pwede din kayo mag-heat ng water dito sa electric kettle or make your tea sa hot water. So, ayun yung ating quick tour dito sa aming room in Novotel Nara. This is a new hotel actually. It just opened last year. Tapos, since I'm an Accor Plus member, Platinum member, early check-in kami. Actually, 12 o'clock pa lang kami dumating dito and our room is already ready. Unfortunately, we didn't get a room upgrade at this time kasi fully booked na yung mga suite room nila. So, yung nabook namin na room, yun pa din yung nakuha naming room. And then, meron din sila itong executive lounge and other amenities that we will explore later. And ang maganda dito, we are also able to get a late checkout. So, tomorrow, instead of 11 a.m., 3 p.m. pa yung checkout namin. So, ayun muna guys. Later, we will show you the other amenities of Novotel Nara. Dito guys, sa labas lang ng room namin, merong vending machine. You can buy your soft drinks or coffee. Yan, nagliwanag pa para sa inyo. Tapos, meron din ditong ice machine. Provided na yung lagayan pag kukuha kayo ng ice. So guys, ngayon, pupunta naman kami sa Executive Lounge, which is the 8th floor. Ito yung Executive Lounge. Bukas siya pagka 7 a.m. until 10:30 ata yun. Or 10 o'clock. So, ito yung lounge area ng Novotel Nara. So, meron silang all-day refreshment. Pero meron din silang tea time at saka cocktail time. So, pag all-day refreshment, ito may mga sweets kayong pwedeng i-try and then drinks. Ayan. So, they have soup bar, may coffee. Tapos, ayun mga, here are other drinks pa. May Pepsi, soda, apple drink, and tea. Ito naman yung mga chairs dito sa Executive Lounge. Ito yung view niya outside. Diyan kami naglalakad kanina. Ayan. Para makapasok kayo dito, you have to be a platinum member ng Accor or you have to book a certain room level. Tapos, you have to use your key card para makapasok dito sa loob. Then, the Executive Lounge is actually connected dito sa kanilang rooftop bar. So, close by yung rooftop bar, pero you can access the place. Ayan, o. Yan, medyo umaambon, pero ito yung itsura ng rooftop bar. Yung mga yan is heater. So, kapag sobrang lamig, nilalagay nila yan dito para heater pag nandito tayo sa labas. So, ayan. Pwede tayo ditong magstay. Kung hindi umaambon, pwede tayo ditong mag-drink, have our refreshments. Ayan. Ang ganda ng area. Kita mo yung buong Nara. Actually, hindi naman siguro buong Nara kasi 8th floor lang to. Medyo mababa lang. But it's nice. It has a nice view. Good evening! So, at this time, open na yung cocktail time ng executive lounge. So, tatry namin pumunta kung ano yung mga offerings nila doon sa executive lounge ngayon. So, ito siya pagkagabi. Cozy yung tsura niya. Yung mga wines nila. Wine and sparkling wine. Gin. So guys, ito nagkaka-cocktail drink kami dito sa executive lounge. So unlike other executive lounge ng Novotel and other Accor hotels, this lounge doesn't have any food during cocktail hours. So wala siyang mga kahit anong food na available. Yun lang din kanina yung mga cookies, mga candies, yun lang din yung available food nila. But available na yung mga alcoholic drinks like yung sparkling wine, red wine, white wine. May draft beer sila and they have hard drinks as well. Tapos syempre yung typical na mga soft drinks sila and other drinks na available every time. So yun. And according dito sa isa sa mga guests dito, yung area nila maaga nagsasara yung mga restaurants. So usually until 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. lang yung mga restaurants. So later we'll check kung may makakainan pa kami sa labas. Yan, cheers! Hi guys! So ngayon, we are going to have our breakfast here at Novotel Nara. Ito yung name ng kanilang restaurant, Trattoria Ponte Nara. This is located at first floor. So, dito. So, ito yung reception area nila. You just have to tell them yung room number. Okay. So, she will then lead us to our table. So, ito yung seat namin. Ayan. So, you have to put the occupied. Ayan, para malaman na occupied na yung seat ninyo. This side may mga coffee. And this is the salad station naman. Salad station. Hash brown. Meron silang bacon, sausage. Ayan. Tapos meron din ditong mackerel. May salmon. May cheese. They even have tofu here. Ayan o. Soft tofu. Ito naman yung plain rice. These are the pastries. Saka mga cereals. Kuha kong food. I got eggs, mackerel, bacon, sausage, and rice. Tapos we have coffee. Ba't isa lang coffee dito? Kain na tayo. Mackerel. Sarap. Hi guys! So ngayon, ita-try namin yung public bath dito sa Novotel Nara. So meron silang provided na basket. Nandito yung aming mga gamit. Going to the public bath. So na-check na namin dun sa room namin na konti lang yung gumagamit. Sa men, walang gumagamit ng public bath ngayon. Sa women, isa lang. So pwede namin gamitin ngayon yung public bath. Okay, let's go. So guys, dito na kami ngayon sa second floor. Dito sa second floor, meron kayong makikita na ice cream vending machine. Tapos dito din available or dito din located yung public bath, yung fitness center nila, kids room at saka laundry room nila. So let's go! So guys, naka-check out na kami ngayon dito sa Novotel Nara and we are riding the Novotel shuttle going to JR Nara. So this is just a quick review or about our experience with Novotel Nara. So if we're going to rate this hotel from 1 to 10, I think we can rate it at higher ratings na 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 kasi the breakfast itself, medyo konti yung choices, pero quality naman yung food na siniserve. Kaya lang, konti lang yung choices nila compared to other Novotels or Accor hotels na napagstayan namin. And then in terms of amenities, sobrang ganda ng mga amenities nila. They have the public bath for both men and women. Tapos meron silang kids area, meron silang massage chair na libre. You can go there to relax. Tapos they also have ice machines sa iba't ibang floor. They have vending machines if you need drinks. They also serve welcome drinks for the Accor members. Tapos they have an executive lounge as well. And also they also have the coin laundry, pero hindi namin na-try. Pero it's always a good thing, lalo na kapag winter time, maganda na may coin laundry kasi para makakapag-wash kayo ng mga jackets kasi nga madaming dala. So this time, hindi kami nag-laundry kasi hindi naman heavy yung mga dala naming damit. When it comes to the room naman, maganda yung room kasi nga bago tong hotel na to. So yung room namin, which is a tatami western style room, ang laki niya compared to other rooms sa Japan. Very spacious yung hotel. Yung room namin, it has a bathtub. Tapos, yung TV nila is already smart TV. So, maganda yun kasi you can already watch YouTube or Netflix habang nagpapahinga. Especially like us, hindi kami namasyal dito sa Nara. So, we just stayed in the hotel most of the time. Sa executive lounge naman nila, medyo nakulangan lang kami kasi if you compare it to other Accor hotels, konti lang yung choices mo. Wala silang food during the cocktail time. We didn't try the tea time. Hindi kami umakyat ng 3 p.m. Pero refreshments, meron naman at saka mga cookies and sweets. When it comes to the location, okay din yung location nila kasi few minutes walk lang siya sa Shin-Omiya Station, which is a Kontetsu line. And they also have a shuttle service if you want to go to another Kontetsu line na station, and also sa JR Nara. So ngayon sa JR Nara kami magpapahatid. Going to Osaka na kasi kami. When it comes to price naman, we only paid about 10,000 plus for one night stay, and that is already for 4 adults kasi considered adults na yung mga anak ko. So I think good naman yung yung rate nila, and sulit naman yung binayad namin in this hotel at Novotel Nara. And guys, we booked this hotel through the Accor app, pero you can also book this hotel through Klook if hindi kayo member ng Accor. And you can also use my discount code para makapag-book kayo ng discounted rates nila through Klook, and you can just use Klook Heckle to get 5% discount. And if you like this video, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And follow us in our social media accounts, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, Kurt Ashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till next time, goodbye!